Hey folks, it's Papa Texas. And this is another edition of Papa's Kitchen. That's right. What are we doing today? I made some smoked wings last weekend and I did not film it. I might have put a picture of it on my Instagram. Are you on my Instagram? Papa Texas 5501. Also, check out my new shirt. Smash, smash, smash the like button. What I did is I got this, okay? So it's bird 2. If it flies, it fries. All right, so what is so cool, we'll get to the cook here in a minute. I got a timeline down below in the description box and down that bottom line that you can click on it and you can see little gaps and you can go to it and say, oh, cook starts, Papa's done blabbing. Oh, taste review, or any segment in there, I split it up so you don't have to see the whole video if and you don't want to. Anyway, I want to talk about Uncle Steve Shake real quick. Everybody loves Uncle Steve Shake. The thing about it is, a lot of his creations have come from YouTubers. He'll take like little bottles about this big, 1 through 10, and he'll send them to 20 people, and they all give their feedback. And this was number 2, and that's the one that I picked. But people are creative and they say, Uncle Steve, take this one and tweak it this way and stuff like that, and helps him out. And what this one did, it created competition bird powder. And the thing about competition bird powder, it has freaking won some awards of some of those cookers out there. And that is so cool. The link is always down in my description box. You're welcome to go get to. Yeah, just do it that way. Of course, I'm a Gator Shake fan. Gator Shake is fantastic on wings. You want some fantastic hamburgers? Go check out the original. And actually, there's 2 ways to cook with the original on a hamburger. If you put it just on top, that's a great flavor. I love my wife likes the original so much that Uncle Steve keeps sending her this size bottle because she goes through that stuff, and that's her favorite. I think Maddie's is spicier. Mine's Gator Shake. But the thing about it, the hamburger, that's what I was talking about. Let's go back to the hamburger. So the second way to cook it is you take the original and you mix it into the meat, and then you put it on top. Completely different flavor. Those will be 2. You give each one of those just on top and mixed in and on top to somebody and say, taste these, and they're going to say, wow, I like both of those. And it's like they have different flavors, and they'll say, yeah, it's crazy, isn't it? And as Uncle Steve says, and I almost always forget, dash a little bit on top at the end of the cook. Yeah, by that time I pretty much forget. You know what? I've talked so much here. Let's just make this video about Uncle Steve Shake. And I'd love for y'all to go down there. You might get a little extra something if in the notes you tell him Papa Texas sent me. That's a cool plane. Oh, saw a squirrel. Sorry. Man, that plane. I'm going to have to cut this part out. That is really cool looking. Anyway. I don't get anything. 12 ounce of knock your beak off greatness. I didn't even use this yet because I don't know how long this video is, so this may just be a Uncle Steve Shake promotion, promotional, whatever you want to call it. Hope y'all having fantastic. I'm gonna go make this video right now. Papa sees squirrels, so I jump all around. I apologize for that. Smash, smash, smash the like button. Subscribe, see more Papa Texas. Go over to search Papa Texas Unfiltered. I need to start making more videos over there. It's kind of like behind the scenes stuff or just whatever I want to do. I got a new one coming out with Bethany That's the cooking cop and babe. That'd be Josh's wife. She and I are collaborating on a channel together. I will not mention the name of that channel. You just have to find it. Because we talk seriously on that one. Anyway, y'all take care. I got mail in there. I got to get out. Anyway, I'll probably put this video out. Should be on Wednesday. And by the time you see this, my pancake video would have come out last Sunday, but last Sunday's not till tomorrow. Isn't this YouTube thing kind of weird? It sure is. It's Papa, Texas. How many subscribers did I lose from making a video like this? It's Papa, Texas. See ya.